Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Open, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then in this area right here, swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages, because there's two by default, you will have hotspot toggle. For me it is right over here. Now once you see this toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings. And in the settings you can see what password is set. This is a randomly generated password on each device, so keep that in mind. For you it will be different. Now I do recommend changing it. So click on the hotspot settings and then it automatically selects password, which is pretty good. So we can then just delete this one and set up our own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and that can be letters or numbers or both. From there, click on the check mark and select save. But before I do so, I'm going to quickly mention there's a couple additional options in here. If you know what they do, you can change them to obviously fit your needs, but if you don't, I recommend keeping them as they are set by default, as this will ensure that your hotspot works with the widest array of devices. So it's basically least problematic. Anyway, so I'm going to select save. This changes the password obviously, and now that will be the password that I will be connecting to the hotspot once I enable it. We can close this and let's find the toggle once more. And this time around, all we need to do is just simply tap on it to toggle it on. So there we go. Once you're done with it, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once again. And you do want to remember about this, as your hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so when you're done using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. And there might be actually a setting in here. Yep, there we go. So in the main personal hotspot setting, you can see we have automatically turned off personal hotspot after 10 minutes of inactivity. So that is a good option to have enabled. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.